Welcome to the breathtaking Bondi Beach, one of Australia's most iconic destinations, a cultural landmark and a true embodiment of Sydney's coastal lifestyle. Whether you're a surfer chasing the perfect wave, a traveler looking for scenic beauty, or someone wanting to immerse yourself in the vibrant beachside culture, Bondi Beach is the place to be. Located just 7 kilometers east of Sydney's central business district, Bondi Beach stretches roughly 1 kilometer along the edge of the Pacific Ocean. It's more than just a beach. It's a symbol of Australian identity, freedom, and outdoorsy spirit that defines this nation. But Bondi's stories goes far beyond the sun and surf. Its name Bondi is derived from the Aboriginal word Bondi, which means water breaking over rocks, or the noise of water breaking. This name is a beautiful reminder that Bondi has long been a place of importance. Even before European settlement, Bondi Beach became a popular beach in 1882 and quickly grew into one of the most popular seaside destinations in Australia. By the early 20th century, Bondi was a major hub for beachgoers, and its popularity gave rise to one of Australia's most iconic traditions: surf life-saving. In fact, Bondi is home to the Bondi Surf Brothers Life-Saving Club, founded in 1907. It's recognized as one of the oldest surf life-saving clubs in the world. These historic volunteers have helped keep beachgoers safe for over a century, patrolling the beach, rescuing swimmers, and promoting water supply. A vital service especially given Bondi's occasional dangerous reef, current like the infamous backpackers reef. Bondi Beach is also a haven for surfers. Its waves attract novices and pros alike, with surf schools offering lessons daily. You'll often see a lineup of surfers waiting to catch the perfect wave, especially on the southern end, where the conditions are often more favorable. It's a central part of the beach rhythm and a thrilling sight to behold. At the southern end of the beach is legendary Bondi Iceberg Club, home to one of the world's most famous ocean pools. The Iceberg Pool is open year-round, even during winter. Hence the name. Swimming is this chilly saltwater pool with waves crashing over the edge is a quintessential Bondi experience. Beyond the beach itself, there's the spectacular Bondi to Coogee coastal walk. This 6-kilometer cliff-top path offers the world. What makes Bondi Beach truly special is its unique mix of people and energies. You'll find travelers, locals, yoga enthusiasts, artists, surfers, families, all sharing the same space. It's a melting pot of culture, lifestyle, and experience. And while the beach can get crowded during the peak summer months, there's always a sense of calm and openness. A kind of freedom that's hard to find in a bustling city. Even after sunset, Bondi continues to pulse with life. Bars and restaurants along Campbell Parade filled with people enjoying ocean views, cocktails, and live music. Whether you're here to a day of staying for weeks, Bondi leaves a lasting impression. So whether you're seeking adventure on the waves, a walk along the cliffs, a taste of vibrant beach culture, or just a place to relax and feel the sun on your skin. Bondi Beach welcomes you. It's not just a destination, it's a way of life where the ocean meets the soul. Stunning ocean views, charming coves, and historic landmarks. It's a favorite for both locals and tourists and showcases the natural beauty of Sydney's eastern coastline. Bondi isn't just about nature. It's a thriving cultural hub. The streets near the beach are lined with eclectic cafes, boutique shops, and world-class restaurants. From artisan coffee to gourmet vegan bowls to classic fish and chips. There's something here to every taste. Bondi also boasts a vibrant art scene. Street art is everywhere, especially along the Bondi Beach graffiti wall. A constantly evolving outdoor gallery that reflects the beach's youthful, creative energy. On weekends, the Bondi Market comes alive, located at Bondi Beach Public School. This market are treasure trove of fashion, jewelry, art, and organic produce. And let's not forget the historic Bondi Pavilion, a community and cultural hub that hosts events, concert, theater, and art exhibition. One of Bondi's most famous annual event is Sculpture by the Sea, held every spring. This outdoor art exhibit transformed the coastal walk into an open art gallery with breathtaking sculptures displayed against the backdrop of the ocean and cliffs. It's free, it's spectacular, and it's draw visitors from all over the world. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.